Hey, what's going on, Marco?
What's happening, man?
What's going on, man? It's good to see you on the screen. So just tell us about yourself, what you were doing before you started the Grillz.
Before I started the grill, I was going wholesale. I'm in New York right now, so I was going wholesale to South Carolina for my guys down there. But just the turnaround time was way too long. You know how it go. These people want their money back, or they want the grills, or they think it's a scam.
Exactly.
So I went through that, and I said, you know what? And when I was doing it down south, they didn't want to tell me the recipe, the tricks of the trade, what I need. They didn't want to do none of that. I said, oh, man, this ain't going to work. I was in the garage. Like I said, I went from wholesale to the garage to already had the space over here. So I was like, yo, listen, we got to step it up. And so, a couple more little items I want to get. I don't need, but I want to get anyway, just for future reference. Even when I went out to California 2 weeks ago, I went past that Blue Moon that you went to because my buddy's down in the Diamond District in LA. So he showed me his whole setup too, how he had two people in there doing the diamond setting and stuff like that. So we were building in there. I said, listen, I got to get to the money. I need some more gold from you, and I need to get into this diamond set. I need two more guys, or at least one guy to come over here and just diamond set.
By using a course on Grillz University, what did you learn from the Grillz course?
I learned from the Grillz course pretty much like the correct equipment that you really should have. You know what I'm saying? I also learned like you could always check and get some stuff off of online marketplace and Craigslist, but nothing beats some of the items, the main items, just buy it straight up. So that it works. You know what I'm saying? Links is key. Like the links is like buy the class, because you could always go back if you don't understand something. Man, I looked at your training program over and over and over again. Even when I think I know how to do something, I might have fell back for about a week. And I'm like, nah, that's not right. Let me go back. So I go back. Or if I'm showing one of my guys in the shop that's new, I show them my way. But a lot of guys, you got to either see it in person and do it the hands-on. So I end up doing it both.
For the viewers that's interested, that's still on the fence on thinking about should they join or not, what would you say to them, for the ones that's still thinking about, joining the course or not? What would you say to them?
As simple as this. It take money to make money. You know what I mean? If you don't trust in yourself, man, it's pretty much over. You know what I'm saying? You got the links to everything that you got access to everything that you need from equipment, even if you got to go piece for piece. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. A lot of guys flip the income tax money, or you might go to work and work hard and just flip 2-3 paychecks and you right back in there. You know what I mean? With me, I look and I bought a lot of stuff in bulk, but you don't have to do it like that. You could go one piece at a time. You know what I'm saying? When in doubt, the class is cheap enough. You're not going to get any classes this cheap. And I've looked around, so I know the prices. This is a giveaway. And you could always go back and look at what you missed or don't understand. You could go over 20, 30 times if you want. You know what I mean? So it's on them, man. You got to spend it.
That's awesome, man. But I'm gonna let you go, right? So, like I said, thank you. Stay tuned on the Facebook. Let me know if you need any help with anything, and I got you. Okay.
All right, I got you. Good looking.
All right, Marco. Appreciate it, man. You have a good day.
Yep. Be safe.
All right, you too. Got you.